I'm providing a brief overview of the Gleim system and explain how we're going to be using it in our classroom, as well as how you might be able to use this to help you study for the CPA exam, which is exactly what I'm attempting to do in terms of bringing this material to you. What you'll notice is when you come to the personal classroom is you get these study guide menus. These study guide menus basically follow the outline of the CPA exam. And as you know, we're starting this week on the statement of cash flow. So for each section, what you're going to have access to is you're going to have access to the multiple choice questions. This is a sample of 20 questions, and as you answer the questions, it will provide you feedback and information in terms of how you can actually do better related to these assignments. There's also two sections related to audio-visual presentations. The Gleim instruction series, in this case, has 3 sections related to the statement of cash flow, and it provides a very strong overview of the information. There's also a second multiple choice question, the knowledge transfer outline, and then you have the task-based simulations. Yes, the task-based simulations are something that you have access to. There's a couple of other items that you would have to purchase separately, but you're certainly not required to do that. Now, what you'll notice is that we're actually using this information for our quizzes for each session. So if you go to the personal classroom and click Access Professor-Led Courses, what you'll see is the quizzes as I have these uploaded. Now we have the access to the first quiz, which is a quiz related to the statement of cash flow. You notice that the due date is Thursday, July 31st. The way I have these quizzes set up is that you have the ability to take these up until the time period of the next chat session. So the Unit 1 cash flow quiz is set up. What you'll see is that you have 120 minutes to complete 20 multiple choice questions. Once you start the quiz, the 120 minutes begins. You have 2 tries on the quiz. When you take the first try, you will get a overall score for the quiz, and then when you take the second time, what will happen is that it will grade your highest grade. At the end of this time period, meaning after July 31st, you will have access to the answers, so you'll be able to go in there, you'll be able to figure out which questions you did wrong, and it'll provide you feedback related to where you need to go in terms of understanding the material. I believe this is going to help you not only in terms of understanding the material for the course, but more importantly, it's going to provide you the information that's required for preparing yourself for the CPA exam. So again, what you're looking for is, if you go to the study guide menu, you're going to see very specific study guides. And we certainly are not going to be going over all of these during this course, but you do have access to all this information. So please take advantage of it. It's to your advantage to actually use this information. And again, when you go to each section, as in the statement of cash flow, you have access to quizzes that you can take at your own pace. You have access to videos, and you have access to the simulations. These simulations, very important, because these are the kinds of questions that you're going to see on the CPA exam. If you have any questions, please let me know, but hopefully this will turn out to be a course that you'll learn a lot, as well as you'll become much more prepared for the CPA exam. And again, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.